Okay. Sagutin natin saglit to. Sabi niya, mahilig po ako sa Coke Zero. Okay lang po ba yun, sir? I'm an advocate of responsibly enjoying life to the fullest. I'm an advocate of LCIF. So, you get, you try to balance, no? Yung buhay mo. Technically speaking, of course, mas maganda kung carnivore, no? That's the healthiest way of eating, healthiest LCIF version. But nevertheless, as I've mentioned over and over again, no, even if we do LCIF strictly, time will come, no? Yung inevitable will happen. So, I say, kung mahilig ka sa Coke Zero, pag nasa labas ka, from time to time, yes, maybe, but not every time, no? But, balansehin mo yung enjoyment.